It's time, Corpus Christi, for CorpusCCFC, the city's first professional soccer team. A team the entire city can rally around and reflect their values. CCFC will take the field for nationally televised matches at a newly constructed 5,000-seat stadium on Old Brownsville Road in spring 2026. CorpusCCFC is a team for the fans and community, a team you can be proud of, cheer for, and celebrate with. Come be a part of our first professional season. Secure your season ticket deposits today.